If you want to get iOS 27 on your iPhone, even before it's publicly available to everyone, I'm going to walk you through those exact steps. The first thing you're going to do is open up a web browser on your iPhone and just head to Google. From Google, we are going to sign up for the Apple developer accounts. Keep in mind, anybody can do this. So just type in Apple developer and hit go. You're going to go to developer.apple.com. And from here, again, anybody can do this. It's completely free. Tap on sign in at the top right. And then you're going to enter in the phone number or email address used for your Apple ID account. So I'm just going to use my Face ID here to sign in. You'll need to go through the process of signing in. You might need a verification code. And then you can tap on your profile at the top right and then choose account at the top here. You'll be able to see it says join Apple developer program. I'm just going to hit enroll today. And then you can see it says enroll with a developer app. So you can tap on download the app in the App Store. Keep in mind, you can download the developer app, but just by signing up for the Apple developer account, now you have access to iOS 27. So to be able to download this, you again can download this if you want to download the app, but you can also just head into the settings app of your iPhone, tap on general, and then tap on software update. You won't initially see iOS 27. You can see I have iOS 26.6, but now you can see beta updates. Just tap on that. And if you want the iOS 27 public beta or the developer beta, you can just tap on it. And now, because I've signed up for this, it will go through the process of showing me the beta update. So if I go back, now it says that I can download it and install right now. Keep in mind, it does take up over 9 gigabytes worth of data, so you do need enough free space to be able to download that onto your iPhone and then, of course, install the new iOS 27. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.